It was often said that the beginning is the hardest for everything. When people are writing a university standard essay, a professional introduction paragraph is the key of the first impression on your readers. In this section, we will talk about the basic rule of writing an introduction paragraph for an essay. Generally, an essay's introduction including 4 elements. We call them HBTM. They are hook, background, thesis statement, and main points. Firstly, justify you're giving a presentation. It is the matter of letting your readers understand your topic. You are writing the essay for your readers, so the essay's writer will need something to draw attention. That is the hook. There are many ways to do it. The writers use different kinds of hooks, depending on the main idea and the content of the essay. Use the objective truths like data, fallacies, and interesting facts that the readers might never heard of before, could catch readers' interest and give a hint of what does the essay going to talk about. Describe a scene can let the readers create an image in their minds and successfully get their attention. The readers can integrate into the essay while they are reading something that could create a clear picture. The writer can also pose a question to the readers at the first sentence. Let themselves dig in and find out the answer to the question. This is the use of critical thinking. Let the readers consider about something in both sides and follow the ideas from the essay.
Writing a background can help readers to understand our topic better. Background provides information of the issue that is presented. Context and history could be the resources of the background to explain and argue our points necessarily. For example, if you are arguing that the government in China should ban smoking in public, your introduction could include a background about, on average, how many people died because of smoking each year in China. Thesis statement is the main point of an essay. A clean and single sentence helps to sum up what point you are trying to make. However, it cannot be a fact. Also, a thesis statement should show the author's position on a particular issue. It can lead readers to argue against or agree with the authors. For example, the government in China should ban smoking in public. This thesis statement is very powerful and clear to show the position. After setting up the main idea, author need to prove the main points for the readers, which would be shown in body paragraphs.
Conclusions. The most important part for conclusion is to rewrite introduction. The first type of conclusion is called the look-back conclusion, which means that the author needs to tell them what he told them. The simplest way to conclude a piece of writing is to use this following formula. In conclusion plus a restatement of the overall argument. The look-back conclusion does the most basic job of a conclusion in an essay. It reminds the reader of author's main idea and some of the key points that the author covered in the essay. The next type of conclusion is called the look-ahead conclusion. This kind of conclusion uses the argument that the author has made so far as a jumping point into something new. In other words, the look-ahead conclusion has some points and problems about the topic. To solve these problems, the readers need to do more researches and studies. What's next? The last one is called the combo or the look both ways conclusion. This kind of conclusion requires the readers to remind what the author has said in the earlier paragraphs and look forward, emphasizing what should happen next with regard to the issue under discussion. Though the look both ways conclusions are longer and take much more time to write, they are effective because they have strong links to the introduction and proposes an interesting new direction to potentially explore.